the fantastic broom, the one you were waiting for. Are you tired of wasting money and time buying a lot of brooms but any of them work as you would like? Now the solution is in your hands and in front of you. It is the new and fantastic broom, the new broom with a remote control. This new broom is definitely different from the other one. This innovating broom is not expensive like others. This one is comfortable. You just need to turn on the broom using the remote control and that's it. Why? Because the remote control and the broom both have a chip that gets connection and start to work once you turn on the broom. Also, this new broom lets you clean your house even if you are sitting on your sofa, cooking in the kitchen, lying on your bedroom or wherever you are. No doubt, the fantastic broom is the solution you were waiting for. So, no more expensive domestic employees, no more uncomfortable and expensive carpet slippers, no more bad case because of bad position when you are trying to climb under your bed, under your sofa, etc. Just say no more. The new and fantastic broom is what you really need. Buy it now for only 50,000 pesos. You can also contact us through the following phone number 00134977 or find them in all the malls and supermarkets near your house. So don't waste more time and call right now. Don't forget this offer is available until August 20.